Today I will going to discuss the operators of the Python that you will going to use. So what is an operator? Operator is an symbols that you are using to work in the particular functions or the work that you are imposing. So there are the different type of operator. Operator used to give the specification of the variable like AR equals to L into breadth. AR so here equals to is an operator. Okay, and it is working on what AR and L into B. Clear. So this is the into is one pattern of an operator. What pattern of operator? It is a mathematical operator. So operator, I have shown you the use of operator using plus, minus and all, doing the addition and subtraction in the interactive mode as well as the script mode. So first program that I'm going to show you based on the script mode. In the script mode, see here, I have used a different type of operator. Before going to the program, see there are how many operators? There is an unary operators, okay, and binary operators. Unary operators is a plus, unary minus, and there are some other unary operators that you can use. That is your different type of operator that you can implement on it. And binary operators means which will going to give you the binary, which will going to give you upon the work of a two or more binary operator like mathematical operator plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus to find the remainder. Okay, so these are the binary operators which will operate on the two. So classical operator, what we find it that there are the different type of classical operators are there. Python arithmetical operators, then comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. So those are the things what you find it that at a member operator different type of operators are there. So each of these operator, let us little bit enlarge this one, then you can see from here. The logical phase of operator and or not. So all these things we will uh, going to implement in the program in a different way. So let us first use the particular program. What I am discussing there is your different type of operators. So using different type of operators, see this program, what has been done in this program. Two input has been taken. This is a script based, this is not an interactive base. Means you will write a program, you will run a program, and program will going to give you the output. So what you find here is that two number has been taken. After the two number has been taken, number input enter the first number, input enter the second number. Here integer hasn't been this said because by default it will be an integer number. Now to add the number, what sum equals to, suppose float number 1 plus float number 2. So now here I am discussing declaring that particular part, what type of variable it will going to work with. Okay. Next what I did, subtract float number 1 minus number 2. Clear? Then multiply MUL equals to float number 1 plus into number float number 2. That means what it is doing, when it is adding one some number 1 and number 2, it is storing in sum. When it is subtracting number 1 minus number 2, it is also storing in min, that means minus variable. When it is doing the work as a multiplication, it is storing at mul. So this is how the thing is been taken. First I have taken the thing, then it has been implemented in this particular area. This is the area where the three implementation has been done: adding the number, subtracting the number, and multiplying the number. Now after that, what it has been done, printing. See here, printing is little bit change I have done. Print sum of what 0 and 1 is 2. Now what is that? Dot format number 1 comma number 2 comma sum. Okay, so I am calling a function. What pattern of function I am calling? I am calling a function called a format function. So this is a function which will call the values, that means values of number 1, number 2 and sum, and they will be